Out here doing a little dry washing today. I was working this, the puffer, the Keene puffer today. I was working this wash and I got down to the false bedrock there, but I couldn't vacuum it. I couldn't get my vacuum started, so I got it started and I vacuumed it now. Went through about 3 buckets. Got some decent gold the first time. I'll try to drop a picture right here. So there's a pretty good chance of rain coming in the next couple days, so thought I'd get out here and get this before it gets too wet. I hope it's as good as last time. We'll see. Well, I'm going to do a clean out. First one of the day. I didn't see anything, but time will tell. Well, made it back. Actually got rained out. Got quite a shower while I was out there, so I got some material. Run it through my banker. Got the gold hog mats. Nice and level. About an 8-degree slope. Let me run this material and see if we've got some gold. Well, ran that material. Here's the mats. I don't see any great big nuggets, but we'll see. Maybe there's some gold. I'll just have to get it in a pan and find out. I just did a quick pull back. There's a few pieces of gold in there. There's more in there, a lot of little ones, so it's going to take me a while, but I'll get it.